Hello guys, welcome to my channel Now Tech. Myself Pratap. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make use of select command in SQL. So before I start, let me explain you what is the purpose of using select command. So it is used to get or fetch or retrieve some columns or some rows or complete table from the database. For that reason, we'll make use of a select command. So there are many ways to make use of select command in the database to retrieve the table. Today in this video, I am going to list you few of the select commands. So let me open SQL prompt. So here the first thing we need to do in order to make use of select command, let me check which table I created, what are the columns I inserted. So for that purpose I need to be type here desk, and I am giving my table name which is already I created, the desk student. So here I created 5 columns, that is hall ticket number, name, course, year and semester. So there are different ways to make use of this select command. So I am going with the first method. So what is the first method I am going to explain is, it is used to select the complete table from the database. For that purpose I need to type select star from, what is my table name is students, and as I said in my previous videos, every SQL statement will be terminated by or end by semicolon. So I mention here select, which is our command, star. The star is an indicator to select the complete fields which I created in my table. From, what I mention here, my table name. What is my table name is student. So I mention here student. So the moment whenever I press enter, I'll get the total rows of this column. Let's I'm entering enter key. So see here, I already created some rows, that is 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1 and 4 9s. So I created earlier, before I make use of this select command, by the help of the insert command I inserted 3 rows in a table called student by the help of the 4 attributes, that is hall ticket number, name, course, year and semester. So this is the first example of making use of select command. So here I type select star from student. So star means you will get here all the columns of the table as well as rows. In case if I want to retrieve only this row, that is third row, then I need to be enhance this statement by adding some condition. So for that purpose I am using here select star from student. I need to pass here I need to use a key called where, and out of these 5 columns you need to take the help of any one of the column name. So I am taking HTNO, that is hall ticket number, equal to, I am specifying here 999, and the moment whenever I enter semicolon and enter key, then see here I am getting only the row which I given as a condition. So I given here hall ticket number equal to 4 9s. So out of these 3 rows I am getting only third row by hall ticket number is 4 9s. So this is used to get the particular row from the table. Whereas if I want pass any condition here after student, so I will get the complete table. But what I done here, after student I pass here a keyword called where, and I pass here some condition. What is that condition I pass here? By the help of some column name. What is the column name I am taken here? Hall ticket number equal to 4 9. So I am getting only resultant row, that is Arjun by name. So this is how to get the particular row from the table. Similarly, if I want to get the details of the persons whose name is start with R, then same code I need to write select star from student where. So here I need to write here NANE name, like in single quote I need to take R, then I need to pass here percentage in single quote, and I need to terminate the semicolon, enter. Now you check the difference between earlier as well as right now. So here I mentioned hall ticket equal to 4 9, so I am getting only one row. But here what I done is I pass here different what we say syntax, where name like I make use of here column name as a name, like in single quote I pass R percentage. So here by name, by word, by character, what is that? R. So how many rows are there? 2. So I am getting a 2, that is Raju as well as Ravi. So this is how to get the rows by the help of this character. So this is how to fetch the particular rows from the table. So likewise, if I want to get only hall ticket number and name, I should not want the codes, year as well as semester. Then what I need to type means select, I need to type here particular column name, that is hall ticket number as well as name, and remaining is same from table name. What is my table name? Is student. And the moment whenever I terminate by semicolon and whenever I press enter, so you see earlier I got the total 5 columns, but now I got only 2 columns, that is hall ticket number and name. Why? Because I mentioned here 2 particular column name, that is hall ticket number as well as name from student. Earlier I mentioned there select star. I said star means I will get all the columns, but I mentioned here a particular column, that is hall ticket number as well as name. So I am getting only 2 columns by 3 rows. Why? Because after student I didn't pass any condition. Similarly, if I want to get particular row as well as particular column, then I am taking same code by assigning where condition, and again I am passing where hall ticket number equal to, suppose if I mention 1 2 3 4, then you check here. Earlier case you got 3 rows, by why? Because I didn't pass any condition, and I got only 2 columns because I pass here only 2 columns. So similarly here also I use here only 2 columns, that is hall ticket number name, so I am getting hall ticket number name, and here I make use of a where condition. So again I given a hall ticket number as a condition equal to 1 2 3 4. So I am getting here 1 2 3 4 Raju. So here I am getting particular column and particular row. So this is how to get the particular row as well as particular column from the database. So you need to remember that before retrieving or fetching the rows or columns, you need to be clear which rows I need to be get and which column I need to be considered. So this is the purpose of using select command. Like this in further classes we are going to be discuss more select commands. So that's all for today's session. Thank you guys for attending my video. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.